In our previous episode, we have shown you how to tie the Apollo rig or the Paternoster rig. So in this episode, right, we'll show you an improved and stronger version. The stronger version is actually the whole rig is the same. There are two surgeons loop at both ends, and there is the hook sticking out. But this knot here at the center is called a T-knot instead of the usual line-to-line connection. To tie this improved version of the Paternoster rig, first of all, we need a much longer leader to start off with, because the hook leader and the main leader makes up the full length of the leader. So we start off with about 1.5 meters of leader. After you got this long leader, match the two ends together and divided this leader into half. So you have this loop sticking out. This will become the hook leader that will tie to the hook. So leave the length about maybe 7-8 cm and then tie the surgeon's loop. Call in about 3 to 4 rounds and then tighten it. So you got a big loop here. Then as for the other two ends, right, same thing, you create the two small surgeon's loop. Now the other end. Okay, so basically now you have 3 loops, 2 small loops at the two ends, and 1 big one exactly at the center. The next step, right, is this center loop. We cut off one side of it right at the edge. So there will be one hook leader sticking out like this, and this is the knot. This knot here is not very strong yet, so we have to tie the T-knot here. How to tie it is, this hook leader end, you have to bite it in your mouth. Then for these two ends, you overlap it. After you overlap, then you twist the two lines together. All the while, right, you are supposed to bite onto that hook leader, otherwise you interfere with your twisting. So you twist about 5 to 6 times. Then after that, this free end goes into the center hole. All the way until the knot is over the hole. Then after that, you pull these both ends. Then you can see the T-knot form here. So what you have to do next is very simple. This hook leader end, right, just connect to the hook with the snap knot. So same as all the rigs, you have to trim off all the free ends. And now you have the completed, improved version of the Paternoster rig. This version, the knot here, the T-knot is stronger, and also it sort of branch out the hooks, branch out the bait, so that the bait presentation is better. So thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, please like and share. I'm Captain Q, see you on board.